Hello from Slovenia again. I will try to do that dip and lip thing, and I have some old white paint mixed, I don't know from which pour, and I will use that one. Just have to grab something because I see some chunks of paint. But today I will, last time that I did this technique I did puddles of paint and dip my napkin in and lip. But today I was thinking to do, and I did it on the round canvas. This is 10 by 12 canvas, and I was just thinking to do a spiral here and see what will happen. Let's do that. Not a big one, kind of something. It's not a spiral, but okay. This was greenish blue, and this is extreme sheen silver. Let's see what will happen, should we? And next will be phthalo blue, Amsterdam, and extreme sheen aquamarine. This is a weird shape. Really curious what will came up out of this. And Prussian blue, Amsterdam. And some pearl white mixture. Just a sec. I will add a little more of this greenish blue here. Let's do some phthalo. Like that. And I will just try to rag this just a little bit before I put my napkin down. I don't know. Let's add some greenery because this is so weird. This is olive green deep and some pearl white and olive green light. This looks nothing like something that I would like. I don't know. Let's see what will happen. This one didn't turn out as I hoped. For now, let's see what will happen after the napkin. my napkin here. Now I know where my center of my flower is. Let's grab my corners and then we will lip it. Okay, I'm done, I think. Wow, it wasn't look like something before, but now I really like it. My white background will level up out while drying, so I will say that I like it. So I will take you down for a close-up. So here is a close-up. This will level out while drying my background because it was a little thick. But as I said, I had to use it. If not, I can put a coat of resin on and it will. You will not see it then. Here is the main flower and this cute little one. And I would definitely love to see this on the black background, but have to use this white. So what do you think about this kind of painting? And see you on the next one. Bye.